Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'll be showing you how to create group chat on a Gmail application. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, go to your Gmail application on your phone. Then you're going to open the chat feature on a Gmail. So this is the chat feature. But if the chat feature has not been activated on your Gmail, you have to enable it first on the Gmail setting. Okay, and now let's just tap on the chat option right here. And then you are going to click on this button, then click on a new space right here, and you're going to click on create a space. Okay, and you can type the space name or the group chat name, and for example I'm going to type squad. Okay, and you can also put description to your group chat, but you can also skip this step. If you want to skip this step, you just need to click on next right here, and then you can add people to your group chat. And for example, I'm going to add this account, and for example this account as well. Okay, and once you're done adding the people, you can click on done right here, and the group chat will be created on your Gmail. Okay, and now the group chat has been created, and if you want to send a message, you just need to type the message right here, then you can click on send button. Alright guys, and that's how we can create group chat on a Gmail. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.